I met Horatio just 5 years ago, outside of Munich on the way to Rome. It was 45 degrees and I could barely breathe. He waved and said, "Hey, come, sit by me." He was 22 and unemployed with a perfect smile. On his way to Paris, no, I never asked why. Had a t-shirt on that said we're all are gonna die alone. I still believe that it's true, oh, I truly do. I want you to notice and I want you to care. Oh, Horatio, oh, Horatio, I want you to notice and I want you to care. Oh, Horatio, oh, Horatio.